Τα Πούλιθρα Αρκαδίας βρίσκονται στους πρόποδες του Πάρνωνα, στην ανατολική πλευρά της Πελοποννήσου, στην επαρχία Κοινορίας. Στην απογραφή του 2011 ο οικισμός είχε 414 κατοίκους. Είναι παραθαλάσσιο τουριστικό θέρετρο και απέχει 8 χιλιόμετρα από το Λεωνίδιο. Η τοποθεσία σου θυμίζει ταυτόχρονα νησιωτική και ηπειρωτική Ελλάδα.
Poulithra Arcadia is located at the foot of Mount Parnon, on the eastern side of the Peloponnese in the Kourouria district. In the 2011 census, the settlement had 414 inhabitants. It is a coastal tourist resort and is 8 kilometers from Leonidio. The location reminds you of Ireland and mainland Greece at the same time.
Το χωριό έχει διατηρήσει το παραδοσιακό του χρώμα και είναι ένας προορισμός που θα χαλαρώσεις και θα σε ξεκουράσει. Στα Πούλιθρα θα πας αν αναζητάς διακοπές χωρίς πολύ κόσμο, καλό φαγητό, όμορφη φύση και προσιτές τιμές. Αποτελούν ιδανικό προορισμό για όσους αναζητούν ήσυχες διακοπές, ηρεμία και επαφή με τη φύση. Η παραλία του χωριού έχει μήκος λίγο περισσότερο από 1 χιλιόμετρο και έχει βότσαλα. Οι ξαπλώστρες στην παραλία είναι της καφετέριας και δεν χρεώνονται.
The village has preserved its traditional color and is a destination where you will relax and rest. You should go to Pulithra if you are looking for a holiday without too many people, good food, beautiful nature, and affordable prices. It is an ideal destination for those looking for quiet holidays, tranquility, and contact with nature. The beach of the village is a little more than a kilometer long and has pebbles. The sunbeds on the beach belong to the cafeteria and are free of charge.
Όταν φυσάει, καταφύγιο για μπάνιο είναι το λιμανάκι της πλάκας Λεωνιδίου σε απόσταση 3 χιλιόμετρων. Η περιοχή του Λεωνιδίου παράγει τις καλύτερες μελιτζάνες της Ελλάδας. Έτσι, πέρα από τα ψάρια και τα κρεατικά, κάποιος πρέπει να δοκιμάσει μελιτζανοσαλάτα, μουσακά, μελιτζάνα τσακώνα με φέτα στο φούρνο και ό,τι άλλο περιέχει μελιτζάνα.
When it's windy, shelter for swimming is the small port of Leonidio, 3 kilometers away. The region of Leonidio produces the best eggplants in Greece. So, in addition to fish and meat, one should try eggplant salad, moussaka, baked eggplant with feta cheese and anything else that contains eggplant.
Μια παραδοσιακή γιορτή που λαμβάνει χώρα τους καλοκαιρινούς μήνες είναι η γιορτή της μελιτζάνας. Οι εκδηλώσεις που γίνονται στο επίνειο του Λεωνιδίου, την πλάκα, περιλαμβάνουν χορούς από τοπικά χορευτικά συγκροτήματα, καθώς και το διαγωνισμό της μελιτζάνας. Δηλαδή γίνεται η βράβευση του καλύτερου πιάτου μελιτζάνας από ειδικούς σεφ από την Ελλάδα και το εξωτερικό.
A traditional celebration that takes place in the summer months is the Eggplant Festival. The events that take place at the port of Leonidio include dances by local dance groups, as well as the eggplant competition. The best eggplant dish is awarded by expert chefs from Greece and abroad.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. stress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.